We wish all cities hosting events this month good luck and good weather. We've done pretty well so far today. As you make your way around the garden today, you'll see there are a number of stalls with information on the important work and support that our armed forces, veterans and ex-forces personnel charities provide. We thank them for taking part in today's event and helping to show members of the public the excellent and tireless work they do in supporting our armed forces community. Last month, we marked the 80th anniversary of VE Day with an anniversary concert, Scotland's Salute, at the Usher Hall. It was a poignant evening of music, telling the events that led to victory in Europe, bringing the stories of those who were there to life, and culminating in an act of remembrance. And it's in these moments of remembrance and reflections on the contribution of our armed forces that it's difficult not to acknowledge the ongoing situation in Ukraine. There are strong family and civic connections between Edinburgh and our twin city, Kiev, and we continue to stand in solidarity with the brave people of Ukraine and to support those displaced families who are living here in the city. And many of us, of course, are also deeply concerned about the terrible events unfolding in the Middle East. And many will be anxious and scared at this extremely difficult time. Our thoughts are with them all. So I would like to thank all the service personnel and the Armed Forces charities for participating in our event today. On behalf of the city, I would like to extend my thanks to every one of you here for joining us to celebrate, thank and show our support for Edinburgh's Armed Forces personnel, past and present. And I realise that I'm standing between you and actually having a good time. So I'd now like to hand over to Mark Mackenzie, who will introduce the rest of today's programme. Thanks very much indeed.
Lord Provost, thank you very much. I can't believe you mentioned the weather in Scotland. That's unknown. You know that. It's like Fight Club, don't mention it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a fantastic day of entertainment, and I now realise I'm standing in the way of you and a great time, including the refreshment tent, which is about to open. You will get vouchers. I'm going to ask the GSM to fall out, and then we'll have some fantastic music from the Highland and Lowland bands of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. GSM.
Right! Right! Chan! Carry! Stand up! March off! Take stand up! Right! Tail jetties! Das! Best!
Fantastic, well done. And music on the way very soon from Stuart MacLean. We've got Richard Kerr, a Royal Navy veteran. There's also Niamh Corky, Fraser MacLean and Maria Townsley, all to come. But first of all, music from the Highland and Lowland bands of the Royal Regiment of Scotland.
Kirkcaldy next.
After this, after these days, after Kirkcaldy.
These are actually a really good band.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had them up at the last gun salute. Very professional.
See you in the Royal Mail in November. I'll be there in November.